I found it. This is where I am going. Yay! Also, no people. Good to hike on a Monday at 10:30. Bit dangerous to film. I feel like I should grab the railing. It's so uneven. Those steps. But I shall go just very slow. One of the dangers, I think, of autumn hiking is all the leaves, because they just, of course, they lie around. It's a national park, and they get wet, and then they get soggy and slippery and very dangerous to walk on, frankly. But it's one of the joys, of course. You have to go slow, and when the leaves aren't wet, you can just run through and have fun. I like it. Oh. This is a hike of many stairs. I feel like there are no more stairs after I get down, but I don't want to promise anything because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I actually am going where I originally thought I'd be going, because I just noticed that there are no buses going there, and the ferry is not included in my railway pass. So I might need to go somewhere else. Or maybe I get hungry and then I want to go eat something.